So at the front of the lectern, one of the things we can do to add extra threshing to the crop, we can add the threshing segments. So to do this, we open the stone trap and then we drop the concave down to its widest clearance, so 50 mil. Once we've done that, reach in, and here, these bolts here, there are 6 of them. Loosen the bolts out, or take the bolts out. Once you've got them out, take the threshing segment from the toolbox on the side of the combine, and then with the bars pointing back and the holes to the front, put it in. Once you have it in towards the back, make sure the pegs go in first, then insert the bolts. Once the bolts are in, don't forget to tighten them up correctly. Once those are in, now you have your threshing segments in, but also don't forget you've got them in when you change the type of crop.